Hey, what's up, folks? For those who can or can't make it, I'm starting at 7 o'clock, and this is just going to go out to the chat for those that can and can't make it. But I'm going to do this every week, so to just have it in the ranks. So this is the pre-market weekly update, checking the indexes and the economic news for the week to come. So this is Sunday, September 15th. And we will start with the economic calendar first. Let's see. Share desktop. Yeah, no share. Okay, so let's see. For this week, we don't really, let's see, Monday, nothing of major importance. There's Empire State Manufacturing Index, but this is an orange folder, so this is somewhere. No, Tuesday, let's see, 8:30, the CPI. Nope, that's not it. The core retail sales, 8:30 in the morning are released. Let's see, the rest of the day, I think Fed speak, Logan, 10 o'clock. Yeah, nothing of important. Wednesday, though, let's see. The building permits and housing, crude oil at 8:30, at 2 p.m. FOMC statement, so Fed speak at 2 p.m. and press conference at 2:30. So I think this is it's probably Powell on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Thursday, let's see, 8:30 unemployment claims. So that should be a big. I think Wednesday and Thursday is going to be a lot of volatility. If you have any trades that are going on, or if you're looking to see what prices drop, if you're looking to get in it in your long term, let's see. That is on Thursday, 8:30, and also let's see anything in particular. Nope. And then Friday, you have nope. You have FOMC minutes. Member speaks Harper, and he speaks on Friday. So the main days are Wednesday and Thursdays for high volatility in the market. Cool. So then let's see. I should be sharing my desktop. Yeah. All right. So let's go over it. The markets quick fast. All right. So the first one would be the S&P. So this is the daily of the daily chart of the S&P. Let's see. Right now, as we're speaking, there is a gap up from Friday into Monday. So that's a positive sign. And it's been trying to get over this level for the longest. So still too early to tell, but this gap up is a good sign. And this is a bullish candle already forming. Futures markets opens up at 6. So as of right now, at 7 o'clock, you have this bullish candle forming. If we look at a 1 hour, and let's see, there's nothing changed. Yeah, you have a higher low. We'll see what happens at 8 o'clock, but this is what you would look at. But this is a huge gap up right here. That is a positive. Oh, that's a huge gap up. Wow. All right, so it might be very bullish this week. So that's that. That's the S&P. Quick, fast look at the NASDAQ and Q. Let me clear all of this out. Same thing. You also have a trend line coming down right here. Let's see. Yep. Broke this trend line. So this is a gap up right here. This trend line is broken. Although it hasn't gotten over this level right here, this is a level that it needs to get over to see if it's going more to the upside. But as of right now, same thing with S&P. It's just a gap up. 1 hour chart. You have two medium-sized bullish candles, but you have a higher low in the Tokyo market, which is open up right now. Okay, so that is the overall NASDAQ look moving into the week. So far, it's a bullish look to that side. Let's see what's next. The spider sectors. So let's go over that. The utilities from last week. So this is the utilities. Let me clear this out. So if you look at the utilities for this last week that passed, last week was pretty intense in the utility sector. So this was a week of heavy buying for utility stocks. So if we're looking at what's going to maybe happen in this sector, so I would look into maybe if you're looking to do any trades in the top 5 of that sector in your CIC, your CIC watch list, there should be top 5 stocks in the utility sector. If you don't know what that is, you can always text and I'll send it to you. Same with all the other sectors. So utilities last week was very bullish. So maybe we're going into it. Can't tell because they don't show the candle it's not like futures. You won't see a candle forming until tomorrow. What's happening? Yeah. So we won't see anything forming until Monday morning. Monday, I think at 6 maybe. So in the sectors, but last week was very bullish. Broke structure. That's a good look. Let's see the communications sector. Communication sector is kind of still somewhat consolidating, although very bullish movement, huge wick, pushing up from 9/11 and then up through the rest of the week. So this is kind of a V-shaped recovery to this bearish movement. So it's probably going to try to break this high this week. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. So let's see what else. Industrials. Same thing, more or less. You have you have a gap up though, which is great. Gap up. Again, it's trying to break this. So there's a lot of pushback selling. So you won't know what's going on until Monday morning, but this is a positive bullish movement. So in industrials, let's see what else is next. Let's see materials. Materials. What is materials? HBI. That's biotech. Materials. Yeah, here we go. Materials. Yep. Still, I don't know if this is still in a long couple of months of consolidation in that sector. However, it's had a lot of push up last week from the last 2 weeks. So it may, you got to see how the candle went, but it may look to try to break this level right here. So for this sector, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the material sector, so I'm not really thinking too much about that. Let's see. I should just use this. Yeah, okay, yeah, let's use this. This is better. Let's see, the consumer staples. Yep, consumers is looking like it wants to make a breakout. Had two huge days to end the week, so look for uh, some positive movement in the consumer staples sector, which is your Procter and Gamble's, your Coca-Colas. So, I think people are, because of the economy, people are going to their go-to strategies as far as trying to save money and buy inexpensive things. So yeah, this is where you see. I think that's why the increase is there. The rotation. Let's see the real estate. Real estate has been bubbling for quite a while. I think it's something. It's probably, I think it was the number one sector for that week. So yeah, I would look into trying to get into this, something in that realm. Consumer discretionary, still having a lot of problems getting over this. These candles are shortening out, so I don't think this is something that you might want to long. It might want, for those that know how to short, you can look into something in that category. The energy sector, definitely staying away from this. Yeah, this is not something that you might want to try to trade. If you're into shorting, if you know how to short, this is something that would be good for that. Tech. Alrighty. The tech sector is still getting pummeled. However, let's see this quick fast. Yeah, there is a lot of action happening in the tech sector as far as trying to break through this level. Just like with the futures market, the Nasdaq had broke through. So tech it may have its final say coming sometime during the middle of the week, because you have the Fed speak and you have I think it's the unemployment, not unemployment. I think it was a CPI or core. Yeah, it's coming out on Thursday. I forget which one. Sorry. And let's see for financials, the banks. There was a lot of selling. I was in a couple of swing trades that didn't do too well last week. So this looks like it might be consolidated into a reversal. Can't say, still too early. If you're looking into trading any of the banks, you might want any of the financial stocks. You might want to wait till the morning to see what you're going to get. But this looks like it could be a possible reversal into the week after this long candle here. And then healthcare. I think healthcare is in the same position as uh, tech. It's looking to break out. It's tech, healthcare, and the banks are the biggest market caps in the stock market and equities. So these wicks are telling a story of that this is areas there's a lot of selling. So I mean a lot of buying. So this push down, we'll see what happens. Hopefully this will push up and break this uh trend line, and then we'll get up to this point right here, this the high in the sector. We'll see what happens then. But this is, I think that you can maybe find some good bullish trades in this sector this week. I think that's it. And and the Big Ten. Let's see what the Big Ten is holding. Big Ten. All right, so the Big Ten. This is Google. Yeah, Google is tough, man. I mean, if you're looking to get into Google, this is it's at a very good pullback. I think the level that it's been pushing back up is at 151. So if you're looking to maybe get back into this, I think where it is now at the 158, between 158 and 150 is a good range for Google. Netflix, there's a lot going on, but let's see if you guys get, because I don't want to remove my lines. Yeah, there is a lot of consolidation in this area. don't know if you guys can tell. Let's see. Clear drawing set. Yep. So this level is broken right here. This trend line. It broke this level as well. So this last day was a lot of buyers coming into market in Netflix. So I think communication is going, again, that is the communication sector. So I think there's going to be a lot of push up from in the Nasdaq, in the Netflix stock. Let's see, AMD. AMD, I'm not confident with it yet. It needs to get over this 200. Yes, this is something I wouldn't try to get into until it gets up to this trend line and maybe break this level right here. So if it can break through and get over this might be something you might want to do. But even if it gets over this level right here, this might be good too. That's at 162. So if you're into trying to trade the semis, AMD 162. If you can get over it, if it breaks 162, then look to get in. Microsoft is trending up. It needs, if it can get over $433, 59 cents. So I guess over 433.650. You might have something to look forward to. Yeah, I think 433.60, my bad. If you can have something in that sort, but as far as wanting to get into this now, I don't know. I would say maybe try to wait for a pullback. If it bounces off this level and it comes back down to maybe 413, like maybe 413 and 414 range, I would say maybe try to get back in that. But it's still at a good level to buy in. But if you wanted a deeper pullback, I would say wait for like 414, 413. Let's see, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's at another. Is at a swap level, so I wouldn't try to buy yet until it gets over 234. Maybe it would pull back if you're looking to get into Tesla, pull back to maybe 212, 213, even maybe. Yeah, I would say like maybe 215 range is probably a comfortable buy for Tesla. Nvidia, everyone's favorite, still in this consolidation type of behavior. It's hard to get a read on this, honestly. I don't know. It's a lot of like chop. This is just really ugly. It needs to get over this level. It needs to come back up to 131 if you're looking to get in a long trade. I think it might pull back down according to these candles. Probably comes back down to 111, maybe down to like 110. I don't know. But yeah, I would wait to see. Yeah, like 114, 115 is the range it's probably gonna hover in. But if it breaks out, look to take a trade up to like 131 if you're just looking to trying to trade Nvidia. If you're buying long, then you can still just get in now. Doesn't matter because I don't think it's gonna pull back down to its lower ranges to the 200 and $100 range. Let's see, Apple. Apple's going through it. They just had their like little like roadshow thing for their new AI operating system. Didn't get a good love. Didn't get a good market response from it. However, it's Apple. It's still one of the big dogs. So if you're looking to buy into Apple, it's still at a good, decent low. I don't think it's coming down to anywhere down to the 50 Fibonacci level. But if you're looking for a pullback, I would if you can stomach, if you have the patience, you can wait till 204. Let's see, Meta. Meta's a big old mess. Pardon the lines. This is my own. I have to make a new chart for doing this type of charting for the pre-market week, because these lines are there for me. Yeah, this is still in the realm of consolidation. So Meta, if you're looking to buy long, I would say wait for a pullback until like the 477 level, maybe 493 level. Right now it doesn't look like it wants to really do much but consolidate. Let's see, Amazon. Yeah, I have to update my charts. There's a lot going on. Amazon. Yeah, it's nothing to write home about. Hit a level, hit this level, it came back down. So yeah, look for it to pull back into like the 175 range. So if you're looking to buy in, I would say wait for another pullback. And Eli Lilly had a big pullback this week on Friday. It looks like it wants to like hover at the I think this is the 50. Yeah. This is the 20. So yeah, I think the range you're probably looking to buy into Eli Lilly if you want to look, it's pretty expensive. 894, 920 range. So I don't think it's going below this as far as I think it's just going to consolidate between 890 and 945. All right. I mean, this is a rough around the edges type of forecast. I'm just going to like post these every week in the chat and to give you an idea what might be coming up as far as the week, and give you any inclination if you looking to make any trades this week. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care.